Well, hi there folks, I'm up at the strip. It's a little bit more wind than I would have liked, but finally, after 2 indoor test flights, the cheapest powered plane you can buy is going to get a proper outdoor maiden. Now this only weighs 15 grams, 15 grams. The idea is you press this little button on the side and you get 15 seconds with a short press. So what I'm going to do initially to see just what it's going to do when I throw it is press the button, hold it for 5 seconds and then throw it, and then hopefully it'll only have 10 seconds to blow away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what do you know, it flies. Look at that. God, I hope you're getting that. But it is getting downwind quite fast. Well, that went better than I could ever have imagined. I'm going to give it a longer flight this time and give it a bit of up elevator. Now I know how far it's going to drift in this light wind. Floppy tail. Right, well I'm going to give it a bit of up elevator and give it the full beans this time. It's going. I'm going to follow it now. Let's follow it. Oh yes, look at it climb. Oh, what fun actually. How much fun can you have for £2.59? Right, let's go again. Obviously helps to do a bit of trimming. Oh yeah, no, I definitely needed a bit more up elevator that time. Okay, a bit more up elevator. No, it needs more up elevator. Anyway, I think we've proved that this is a viable little flying plane. Right, well here we go again with this one. And I don't know if you can see it, but I can. I can't even see it on my screen. And there she goes, down. Anyway folks, that is the cheapest powered plane you can buy. AliExpress. I'll put a link below, and it's not an affiliated link. I'm not going to become a millionaire. But anyway, what a bit of fun. The build blog is there, and don't miss my rather hilarious indoor flying test. Bye for now.